My back lawn mowed. Pretty much a mess right now because I've been lazy and it's been too hot. But I mowed it with that nice 68 616. Yeah, I know I need to weed the house. Yeah, I know. Anyways, I haven't touched this area yet this year and I'm gonna take care of it. I would do it today, but it appears it's gonna be raining. So I'm gonna start this up. This is a Sears Custom 8. I don't know the year. There's no VIN code. I got it for 20 bucks with the Goodyear tires. Damn good deal. Guarantee you she'll start first pull. Yep, definitely a little bit, but she is a trooper. 20 bucks. Got a trailer in the van. I took the tires off of that, so I left it up. Oh, I know, but it's dust cover. That's a waste of 10 cents. It's a little slow when it's a little slant. All right, well, guess I gotta get a new can for it. But yeah, I only paid 20 bucks, has no brakes. The body's in phenomenal shape. It's a damn good deal. I really like this thing.